And this is my home, and I think that we can do better than what's going on right now. And I want to take our values and new ideas and a fresh approach to Washington to represent who we are.
Colin Allred! Colin Allred! Woo!
I'm not running for Congress to just say no to everything that President Trump does. I want to deliver results for this community. So I'm going to stand up to him when he's not doing what I think is consistent with our values, and I'll work with him when we can get something done that will help the folks here in North Texas. First thing I want to do is lower the cost of health care and prescription drugs. I want to invest in job training programs so that people can get into the skilled jobs that they need and they can take care of their families. I want to invest in infrastructure. We're growing extremely rapidly here in North Texas. We got to keep up with that and make sure it's sustainable. These are all local issues for us, but they're things that we need to get done.